Hi, I'm Brandy and this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my May SugarMuses box. This is the Deluxe Muse box, and I am a little late opening it. I think I got it sometime at the end of last week, but I was out of town. So I'm really excited and it smells very good. Let's check it out. Ooh, Egyptian magic. Cool. It'll be interesting to see Christy's take on this. So beautiful art. Ooh, I love it. SugarMuses, Midnight Muses. Love the card. Very beautiful. Alright, Wheelie Boppers. Ooh, I love paper products. Beautiful. Let's see what's up here. Oh, 10 of Cups. I do love. I am fulfilled. I'm super happy. Let's see. Let's see. I will look into that. That is very nice presentation. Love it. Very, very different. All right. Hathor candle ritual for scrying. Wow, I am just... SugarMuses catnip blend. Frankincense. Egyptian alchemy salts. I'm so excited. Let me smell this. I can't wait to bathe in that. Flower offering. Lovely. Let's see, we got a candle. Hathor ritual candle. I really love chamomile. Lovely. I am digging it. Ooh, we got a stone here. Interesting. I don't know what it is. I'm not very experienced with crystals. I mean, I'm collecting them left, right, and center, but I don't work with many as of yet. Ooh, it's a little bit out of the thing. Hush your face, bud. Hathor ritual oil. Ooh, smells good. It's a little leaky. I just will bless myself with it. And here's my incense. Shh, shh, shh. Smells delicious. Look at that, pretty little ankh. Oh. I love it. Wow. I love it. Give me 1 second. I gotta get Bobo out of the closet. This dog has been barking all freaking day. You're locked in the closet to eat. Oh boy. Sorry about that interruption. Let's see this big, beautiful, looks like something I have never gotten. Let's check it out. Oh. Ah, I'm getting these little styrofoam things everywhere. Sorry. Let's see, where's my knife? Of course, my husband took it. There we go. Okay, I just want to loosen it so I can get this out of here. So very pretty. Here, say hi to Mirror. Very cool. It's a mirror. Like it. Very cool. Alright, let's see. Magic has always been a way to achieve goals and to manifest your desires. Today there are dozens of types of witchcraft, from Alexandrian to Thelma witch, from hedge to sea witch. This month we highlight Egyptian witchcraft. In the case of the ancient Egyptian civilization, magic was seen as a way to communicate with the gods, ask for good luck, for protection, and also a way to interact with the spiritual world. The first information about ancient Egyptian magic comes from about 4500 BC. Magical amulets, which were created in those times, stayed in use until approximately the 5th century AD and were revived again in modern times. There are also some written spells which have survived until now on reliefs, paintings, papyri, etc. Symbols were used in different ways, like for gaining strength, healing, or protection. Amulets with special symbols were the most common form of protective magic and were used by both the living and the dead. Jewelry was very often worn for protection. So, I can hear that my kid's getting rowdy, so I'm going to cut to the point. Bast, this month we feature items that harness the essence of the Egyptian magic. Bast, worshipped for protection, sensuality, feminine power, and the bringer of health, also called Bastet or Bastet. The goddess Bast is widely known today as the cat goddess. Legend has it that by day, Bast would ride through the sky with her father, the sun god Ra. Ever watchful, she protected him from his enemies. Thus she became known as the Lady of the East, the goddess of the rising sun and the sacred and all-seeing eye. Anak. The symbol is ubiquitous in ancient Egyptian art, and Egyptian deities are often depicted with ankhs in their hands. It symbolizes life and was worn by ancient Egyptians as a good luck charm. Hathor. The Egyptian goddess Hathor was worshipped for 3,000 years. At various times she was the creator goddess, mother goddess, sky goddess, goddess of music and pleasure, and goddess of magic. Hathor is the Greek version of her name. The Egyptian version is Hethert. She was called on for many things: love, beauty, music, fertility, and pleasure. She was the protector of women, though men also worshipped her. She had priests as well as priestesses in her temples. She was the goddess of beauty and the patron of cosmetics. Offerings of mirrors to her were common. Ritual mirrors were used to reflect the light of the morning sun into the temple where Hathor's statue stood. So, amber honey incense sticks. Smell delicious. Ritual salts. So, let's see. Hathor ritual oil here. Chamomile, myrrh, frankincense, almond. Chamomile buds and vitamin E. Egyptian mirror. Any mirror can be enchanted by the sun to become a magic mirror. They can be portals into other realms. They can be used for divination or for spells. Use your mirror along with your Hathor candle and spell scroll enclosed. Frankincense. Organic catnip and sage. Flower offering. Raw mukite. Very grounding, stone of protection, help with dreams and meditation and moving forward in life. Extremely good to use in negative situations as it provides a shield over the user while working to neutralize the environment. Can be used to communicate with animals. Hand-poured Hathor candle, black agate pendant, intuitively chosen tarot card. I decided to do something special this month and included a personalized tarot reading for you. Your card was chosen from the Egyptian Tarot by Silvana Alasia. For more information on the meaning of your card, search for it on SugarMuses. Original artwork. That's from Christy. Good job, Christy. This is a cool box. I recently got another Egyptian magic box, and they're both completely different, and I really appreciate that. And sometimes a lot of the themes for the boxes that I get, which is many, are the same or very similar, but the creator imbues their own touch on it, and it's all very different. So this is very cool. Very, very interesting. I love a lot of the items. It's very well put together. I love the details. Very cool. I definitely will use most of these items. Some of them I'm kind of thinking like, how will I use that? And that I'll discuss that more in my monthly review. But this has been Sugar Muses for May. Her theme was Egyptian magic. Beautiful contents. And please like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I am trying to get a box of these to give away, but I was gone for the first 12 days of May, and I think they are sold out again. So I think I missed it. Let me double check really quick while we're here chatting. I think I missed it. Oh, you're letting everybody in. Okay, my husband just let the dogs in. It looks like I might be able to get the June box. I'm going to try that. So either the giveaway will be in June or July. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more unboxings. I have a lot to catch up on, and I can't wait to share them with you. Thank you so much. Bye.